Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to draw a radius on Google Maps. Want to see how far 5, 10 or 20 miles go from a specific point? Drawing a radius on Google Maps is key for delivering areas, service zones or understanding proximity. Google Maps doesn't do this directly, but here's how you can do it with free tools. The first method is using free map tools. And you can do that by going to free map tools / radius around points. As you can see here, click on the website. Now here you're gonna choose a location. Click anywhere on the map to select. For example, I'm gonna click this one. Click on anywhere on the map to select your central location and enter the radius. For example, 5 miles or 10 kilometers. Let's choose 10 kilometers here. The tool, let's zoom in so we can see the radius. As you can see, this is the 10 kilometer radius. It's been drawn. You can zoom in, print or export your map. The second method is to use Google Earth. And to do that, just open Google Earth Pro, which is a free desktop app, and click on the ruler tool and select circle and click your central point and drag to create a perfect radius. And after that you're done finishing, save the circle to your project. Drawing a radius isn't native to Google Maps, but with tools like free map tools or Google Earth you can easily visualize how far your reach goes, which is great for logistics, event planning or service areas. You can also save or screenshot your radius for quick reference and combine it with Google My Maps to build layered interactive maps and use radius infos with Google Ads for geographic geo-targeting. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.